Hello everybody, my name is Nyantino, an international Kenyan teacher and author based in Alberta, Canada. This is a poem I composed titled Magical Kenya of the Future and the Man to Take It to the Next Level, Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Kenya, beautiful Kenya. Oh, how I love it. If you want to know its beauty, then wander across the land and experience the shifting, whispering sounds of nature, or the loud, robust ones that constitute the rhythm of life in the cities and villages. Yes, that is magical Kenya. The soothing winds, the dramatic terrains, the clear tropical skies, the crimson golden setting sun, the magical sunrises, the ocean and lakes will remind you of the work of nature in a mood of majestic playfulness. Yes, that is magical Kenya. It's a land of multiple fascinating panoramic landscapes, of a sea of green that is the South Rift tea plantations, of the sun-kissed coastal beaches, of the wind-swept savanna plains and plateaus, of the graceful coconut trees dancing delicately in the sea breeze, of the unfadingly glistening blue sea, of ocean waves that beautifully crash on the shoreline, of the gorgeous Gutsi tropical jungles, of majestic creations enshrouded in splendor. Yes, that is magical Kenya. It's a land of great volcanic mountains piercing the skies like arrows, of the breathtaking wonder that is the Great Rift Valley, of the deeply enchanting tropical forests and magical pristine lakes, of the wondrously amazing plains and plateaus that unfold and swell into terrains of beauty, of millions of flamingos that form pink surfaces over Rift Valley lakes, of serene forests and the picturesque rolling hills, of a grand vista of craters and the gaping calderas, of stunningly beautiful plains that gorgeously spread out to faraway misty distances, of a sprawling diversity of beauty and splendor that unfold dramatically. Yes, that is magical Kenya. It's a land of ancient churches, mosques and monuments that engulf charmed eyes with a grand sweep of history, of cities with vibrant atmospheres, stunning architecture and bustling streets, of incredibly bright, contagiously humorous and amazingly gifted people, of enduring beauty, incredible abundance and unlimited resources, of spectacular national parks and amazing game reserves, of the work of nature in a most magical mood of majestic playfulness, of culturally diverse cities and historic towns that tell a sprawling, significant story. Yes, that is magical Kenya. But in the recent past, this beautiful land has experienced major challenges and enormous obstacles that have stifled progress. It has slowed down growth and development. The ruin and dishonor of our nation must be averted. Major storms have come upon our land that threatened to destroy our very own existence. But there's one thing they could not dampen, and that is the desire for liberty. Ahead of us is a hugely daunting task, but we shall not fight our battles alone, for there is a just God who presides over the destinies of all, a just God who has charted our course from history to eternity, a just God who holds our modern diversity in the palm of his hands, a just God who has unveiled a great man of character and immense knowledge to usher in a radical new change we have always wanted. Come at the man, come at the hour, Fred Okengo Matiang'i, the man to take us to magical Kenya, the land he foresaw when he put a stop to examination mismanagement, the land he envisaged when he migrated us from analog to digital era, the land he anticipated when cattle rustling became a thing of the past, the land he dreamed about when the issuing of identity cards, birth certificates, and passports was streamlined. Come at the hour, come at the man to take us to land where talents are nurtured, dreams are encouraged, and potential unleashed, A land where every child, regardless of background, has a chance to reach their full potential. A land of a renewed sense of hope, fierce determination, and a promising bright future. A land of ordinary humans doing extraordinary things in extraordinary ways. A land of barriers that hold us back, crumbling. A land of systems of iniquity, dismantled. A land of futures where everyone has an opportunity to excel. And Fred Okengo Matiang'i has heard our dreams. And our faces that have been downcast, anxious, and expectant are now glowing with wonder, joy, and happiness. Cometh the hour, cometh the man to take us to magical Kenya, where our grandest enterprises are carried forward, where our most colorful dreams are realized, where our highest ambitions are achieved, where our most nagging fears are banished. Cometh the hour, cometh the man to take us to magical Kenya, with the new heights to surmount, with the new wonders to admire, with the new realities to comprehend, with the new prospects to confront, with new challenges to conquer. Cometh the hour, cometh the man to take us to magical Kenya, where trees are full of fruits, where serene rivers flow silently, where hills are full of minerals, where the ocean and lakes are full of wealth. Cometh the hour, cometh the man to take us to magical Kenya. May you have the faith to cast your cares upon God. May you truly believe that God deeply cares about you and your people. May you embrace the peace that God provides and walk in His amazing grace. May you truly be a servant of the people of magical Kenya of the future. Cometh the hour, cometh the man. Mr. Fix-It, Fred Okengo Matiang'i for president.